Hey guys, today I will show you how to rewatch cutscenes in Monster Hunter World. To rewatch cutscenes, go to the main menu before starting the game and select Gallery. From the Gallery menu, select the save file you want to view cutscenes from. This lets you rewatch all story cutscenes you have already unlocked from the main story and quests. Only cutscenes you have already seen will appear here. If a cutscene is missing, it means you have not reached that part of the story yet. Keep in mind, a common misconception is that you can rewatch the cutscenes from your room if you talk to the housekeeper. That method was only used from Monster Hunter 1 through 4. The gallery in the main menu is the only place to rewatch them without starting a new save. And that's how to rewatch cutscenes in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.